Welcome back once again to reason 6 this time of why we polish our shoes. Now, you saw me yesterday putting the Renovateur on, and having allowed it to dry, I've given it a good brush. Now look at that, that'd pass. You could walk about in those and not look as if you were a tramp, or as if you'd been dragged through a muddy field. But it won't pass for me. I'm rather keener on getting a high shine on these. These are Oxfords, by the way. The ones with little holes in the top, they're brogues. They originally put the broguing in shoes when you were walking across marshes, and it allowed the water to drain out. So if anyone in the shoe shop offers you a pair of brogues, you can say to them, "Are you implying I'm some kind of a bog trotter, sir?" Of course you don't have to. Right, more Renovateur. I do 2 coats of this because I like to. And this is reason number 6. Polishing your shoes is a sensual thing. The feel as your hands rub across that leather is a beautiful feeling. The sight of a shiny shoe, lovely to look at. The smell of some of these oils and polishes is just divine. Don't taste it, we won't do that. The sound of the brushing, or just of the slapping on the creams, is pleasant to hear. Well, there's more than just 5 senses. What about your sense of satisfaction when you've finished? Or your sense of symmetry, because you want both to look exactly the same? There are many different types of satisfaction that can be obtained in a sensual manner, and that for me sums up reason 6. The sensual nature of it, the pleasure that you can obtain from the various sights and sounds and smells and feel of the things that you're doing to these shoes. Sounds a bit creepy, but I don't intend it to. There's a pure sense of sensual, and that's the one I'm intending. So there you go, that's one done. I'll do the other in a second. Come back and see me tomorrow for reason 7.